Hi children, let's see this question. Choose the correct circuit which can achieve the bridge balance. This question asked in 2024 in NEET entrance exam, right children? And this is once again a most important question. It may come again in 2025 also. According to this question, there are four diagrams are given. They are in Wheatstone bridge form. But one thing is very difficult to see the circuit which is diodes are used. This diode is here in this case is reverse bias. In this case forward bias. And in this case forward bias. In this case forward bias. This is only the quite complicated to understand, but nothing to worry. Easily we can solve it. I will try to explain it, try to follow it, see up to the end of this question solution, then you follow it. So according to Wheatstone bridge is the balance condition R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4. So let us consider which is R1, this is R1. Let's take this one is R2, this one is R3, and this one is R4. When these resistances are adjusted in such a way that no current will flow through the galvanometer. So that means galvanometer current will become 0. If it is 0, no current goes in this, means current will go like this and this way and this way. Then since it is diode is reverse bias, current will be in I3, I4, there is no current in this. So that is what you have to understand. Let us apply our Wheatstone bridge balance condition. What is a balance condition? When the current is 0 in galvanometer, the ratios of their arms of resistances are equal. So that means R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. This also you can write R1 by R3 also equal to R2 by R4. That also right. So that just cross multiplication. Nothing to worry. So now you just apply for the first option. In the first option, R1 is given 10. You can see here. And R2 is given 15. You can see here. And R3 is given 10. And R4 is given 5. So when you make it first option here, when you cancel it, what will happen? 2 by 3 will come left side, which is not equal to 2 by 1. That means the first one is wrong. First one is wrong. Then next, go for second option. Second option, if you go, what you will get here? 10 by 15. So first is 10, then it is 15, then again 10 by 5. Though it is not considered here because here forward bias. So that means it is again it's not balanced. So this is also wrong. So next go to the third one. Third one is R1 is 10, R2 is 15. Okay. Then R3 is 10, R4 is 5. So here it is forward bias. We can consider it is here. So therefore what you will get here also, once again, the second one is also wrong. Third one is what you are going to get here, 2 by 3 and 2 by 1. So again 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 1. So this is also wrong, this is also wrong, this is also wrong. Then come to the fourth one. Fourth one is R1 is given 10, R2 is given 15, right? R3 is given again 10 and R4 is given again 15. So it is R4 is 15. Here it is 15. So that means what you will get? 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is equal to 10 by 15. So it is equal. Therefore, the bridge is said to be balanced in fourth condition. So answer is ours is balance condition is fourth one is right. So try to learn this. If the content is good, I request you to subscribe my channel, and I am providing 1000 MCQ questions. I started new. Please encourage me by subscribing and view my channel. Thank you, children.